So you want to know how to build a sick Honda Talon. I'll show you what it takes. The first thing that stands out to you, of course, the tires. These here are Maxxis Carnivores. Now these are some sick ass tires right here. 30-inch tall. Got some fake beadlock system 3 wheels. 14-inch. 5+2. And you're gonna need a 1.5-inch spacer for the rear. I've got a 5th wheel here. They're all 5 matching. So what you can do is you can swap a spare anywhere. They're all the same. Next up, really important, you're gonna want some harnesses. Dragonfire 3-inch harnesses. Keep yourself safe. Switches, XTC street legal kit. You got your blinkers, horn, flashers, your 4-ways, and over here you got a switch for your aftermarket lighting. Winch, HMF bumper with the reinforcing bars. Got a knockoff Chinese GoPro. Thing works pretty darn good for how cheap it is. Tablet for GPS mounted with a RAM mount. Mirrors. Cooler strap down in the back. It's a savage machine right there. And it's street legal. Kill the trails, kill the dunes when you air down. These are some really important parts to throw together on your Honda Talon. Next up for me is I got a swing out spare tire carrier. They'll be mounted up top there. Should be here any day. And I'll get the matching HMF bumper for the rear here soon enough. Those right there are definitely gonna be your top parts to get right away. Front bumper, winch, lighting, harnesses, aftermarket wheels and tires. And you have yourself a savage Honda Talon. You can get a windshield if you like. I like the open air breeze in the face.